Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide data with the white font trick in Excel. So let's start this in Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to hide the total price column. Simply select the first cell and you can press here the shortcut key Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column. Okay, then go to the Home tab. In Font Group, click on the Font Colors option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here the white color, and here you can see the data looks invisible on the worksheet. Okay, and if the background is a different, suppose in unit price is background is yellow, and this data I'm going to hide. To simply select the first cell, Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column, then go to the Home tab. In Font, click on the font color. Now select the yellow color as same as, and here you can see the data looks invisible on the worksheet. Okay. If you want to unhide again, you can select the data. So I select the first total price, go to the Home tab. In Font, click on this font color option and select the black color. And that's it. Same as for this column, select the black color. Okay. So this is a way you can hide data with the white font color trick in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.